and welcome to my channel Truly Homely. What could be better in this rainy weather than steaming hot dum biryani? Today I'll be sharing with you all my recipe of paneer tikka dum biryani. Let's begin with our prep. Here I have taken 2 cups of Kohinoor extra long basmati rice and soaked it for around 1.5 to 2 hours. I have prepped my rice by taking a kadhai, adding 2 tablespoons of Amul Desi ghee, 3 to 4 bay leaves, 2 teaspoon cumin seeds. As they splutter, add 4 to 5 cups of water, 1 teaspoon of salt and bring it to a boil. Once the water is boiling, add rice and let it boil till it's partially cooked. Strain the excess water using a sieve and let your rice rest. These are the things that will be used as garnish in our biryani layers. I have taken here 8 to 10 big onions sliced and deep fried, half cup freshly chopped coriander leaves, 2 tomatoes sliced, half cup mint leaves, 50 grams cashews fried, 3 to 4 potato wedges deep fried. For our paneer tikka, we'll need 300 grams malai paneer, and I have marinated the paneer cubes with 4 tablespoons hung curd, half teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon salt, half teaspoon chaat masala, half teaspoon dried fenugreek leaves or kasuri methi roasted and crushed, and half lemon juice squeezed. Marinate the paneer cubes with all the ingredients for at least 45 minutes. We have also taken diced onions and capsicum here and alternatively put them in the skewer stick as shown here. I have shallow fried the tikkas, you can grill them too. For the vegetables, here I have taken cauliflower, green peas, carrot and capsicum. You can add your choice of vegetables. We have diced them in similar sizes and boiled it for 2 minutes. Strain the excess water and stir fry them with 1 tablespoon of Amul Desi ghee. Let's begin making our biryani masala paste. I have taken 1 onion sliced, half cup fried onions, handful of chopped coriander and mint leaves, 20 grams garlic cloves, 20 grams ginger roughly chopped, 6 to 8 green chilies and grind them to a fine paste. For our dry masalas, I have taken 2 teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1.5 teaspoon coriander powder and 1.5 teaspoon Everest biryani masala. Here I have taken 2 pinches of saffron and soaked them in warm milk for at least 2 hours. I have taken half cup Amul Desi ghee, leftover marinade of a paneer tikka masala, 1 teaspoon cumin leaves and 2 bay leaves for our tadka and 2 tomatoes chopped. Let's begin. Here I have some leftover marinade of my paneer tikka masala which I am going to add to the stir fried veggies. It will just add extra flavors to our preparation of biryani masala. In a kadai, I am going to add around 2 to 3 tablespoons of Amul Desi ghee, add bay leaves and cumin seeds to it. We'll add our masala and saute it well for around 10 to 12 minutes till the raw smell of masala is faded and fat starts releasing. We'll now add our dry masalas and salt, mix it well and keep sauteing it for another 5 to 7 minutes or medium flame. Once you see the masalas are roasted well, we'll add our stir fried and marinated vegetables and chopped tomatoes, mix it all gently. Add around 100 ml of lukewarm water and cover the kadai and let it simmer for another 7 to 8 minutes. Now, as you can see, our veggie masala is ready. We'll start layering our dum biryani now. We have already kept a tawa on gas for preheating. We'll add 1 teaspoon of ghee, spread it at the base, add a thin layer of rice, then the veggie masala, another layer of rice, fried potatoes, sliced tomatoes, coriander and mint leaves, fried onions and cashews, and some paneer tikkas and some veggie masala again. Spread it well and add another layer of rice, final layer of garnish with fried cashews, fried onions, coriander and mint leaves, paneer tikkas, fried potatoes. We'll add a saffron milk now and lastly some more ghee all over. Cover the pot with foil paper, add the lid and let it simmer on low flame for at least 20 to 25 minutes and our paneer tikka dum biryani is ready. Do enjoy and share your feedback in the comments box below. Please visit my channel Truly Homely and check out my other recipes too. Don't forget to subscribe for some more delicious recipes. Till then, happy eating!